So for example 2, it says factor by grouping completely. So before I cut in half, that completely means find a GCF of everything. So if I look at my numbers, I know that 4 can go into everything. And I have an x in every term, so I'm going to take that lowest x out. So my GCF is going to make sure I put that in my answer. And let's divide and subtract. So I would have 1x to the third minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. So now that 4x comes down in the answer down here, and now I don't worry about that 4x anymore. So now, just to factor this, 4 terms, cut in half. I find the GCF of the first side. So 1 and 2, the only GCF of 1 and 2 is 1, and I can take x squared out. On this side, I can take 3. So I know I'm going to have 1x squared, parentheses, plus the 3, parentheses. So if I divide and subtract, I get 1x, 3 minus 2 is 1. Negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I don't need that. So here I divide and divide again, and I see that they match. So I would have my GCFs, 1x squared plus 3, and then I would have x minus 2. I dropped the 1 because I really don't need it. I could drop the 1 here as well because I don't need it. Either way is fine. Okay, last one. So for part B, again, that word completely means find GCF in everything. So I looks like 3x. There's an x in every term. I can take the lowest x out. So 3x is my GCF. Bring it down to my answer. Now divide, subtract. And I just keep doing that. Alright, so I divided, I subtracted exponents. That's what I get. 3x, we already brought it down, so we don't need to worry about the GCF. Cut in half and find the GCF of each side. So here, 1 goes into 1 and 4, and I can take x squared out. 5x and 20, I can take 5 out. So I write 1x squared and plus 5. Let's divide and subtract. So I get 1x minus 4. 5x divided by 5 is 1x minus 4. Bring my GCFs together. I'm sorry for the background noise. The bell's about to ring for kids to leave. So we have 1x squared plus 5, and then x minus 4.